Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to make a special drink with candy beetroot. So they call these the candy beetroot because they had the stripes, and I guess when you cut them inside it's different. So I'm gonna wash all my ingredients and come right back to you. So there you have it. That's the candy beetroot. So guys, before we peel our pineapple, let's have a look at these candy beetroot, because I've never seen them before. It's the name candy. Why? Let me look. Let me cut and look in there what it looks like. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. So this is the candy beetroot. Okay, so we're not going to peel these candy beetroot because I washed them. We're just going to put them in our juicer. Oh my god, look at that. I really need to use these for decoration. Look, oh my god. I'm so happy I could come with this today. A different kind of beetroot. Look at that. Oh my god. Guys, I want to see what it looked like. So I took photos with the gloves because I want to use it as a thumbnail. Okay. So there you have it. We have our candy beetroot. I'll put one of them at the back. Okay. I'm going to cut up these because the last time I tried some beetroot in my Coven Revo H30, it break the bowl and I had to buy a new one. So I'm not going to take any chance with this one. And we're going to let this stay here and decorate. Just let the board look nice. Right? So that's our main ingredients this week. And we are going to quickly peel our pineapple. I might just use half. But actually I have another half of a pineapple in the fridge. So I might use that up too. Okay. So we are going to take up all our pineapple skins. And you know, I'm not throwing them away. I'm going to use them to make some pineapple skin juice with ginger. You know, actually I'm going to add ginger to this drink. Let me run for the ginger. So we're going to cut our pineapple. And of course, you know, pineapple is good for inflammation. So I'm going to use half. Actually, I have another half of a pineapple, which I didn't remember anything about. It's in the fridge. Should I use the big knife? And I don't throw away the core, and I eat it. So we're gonna just slice pineapples just like that. We're gonna just take out this core. So if you have pain and arthritis, you can use pineapple with ginger and turmeric. I have videos upload that you can go and look at, have a watch. So we're gonna cut up our ginger. Tony don't really like too much ginger, but I'm the ginger person, so I'm not gonna use too much. Okay, so let's get into our juicing. We don't know what color this drink is going to give us, but remember that beetroot helps with low blood pressure. I will list all the benefits of the candy beetroot. So guys, I tell you, I'm always trying to come with something different. Look at this. So that's the candy beetroot. Wow. And we are not going to core our apple this week. We are going to go straight into the juicing. Don't want the video too long and drawn out. So we're going to open our lid and we are going to put some apples in. So this week I'm not coring any apple. And we're gonna put some pineapples. And we're going to put some ginger. And beetroot. Let I give you a little sneak peek at the top. And guys, it's sweet. I've just tasted the candy beetroot and it's so nice. Don't it look like candy? Look how beautiful it looks. Okay, so we're gonna put our lemon in and we're gonna continue. With everything that you see in there, loaded with benefits. So let's get into our juicing. So the key benefits of this juice: it lower blood pressure, help to relax the blood vessels and improve overall blood flow. Look at the trash, it looks really like a candy. And it also fights inflammation and aid in digestion. So guys, look around to see if you see the candy beetroot, because it is very sweet. I taste it and trust me, it was yummy. It is also low in calorie and you can get vitamin and mineral rich. It is rich in folate and vitamin B9, C, potassium and magnesium. So as always, I'm always showing you a little peep from the top, and it helps to improve athletic performance. So maybe you can try it. If he's a man, you can try it and it will help you. Oh my god. So it may also support brain health and it has anti-cancer property. Ooh, you know what time is it? Guys, we are gonna let out our first batch of candy beetroot. Look at the color. This have a cherry look. So lovely and refreshing. So guys, as from time to time, I always try to look for something different to put on the channel, and then you can go and look to see if you find it and then make the juice. So let's continue our juicing. And of course, you know, apple a day keep the doctor away. I might have to add a little bit of bottled water to this drink because the beets are sweet and the apples are sweet. Beet contains betaline, a natural coloring agent with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So let's take another look at our beetroot. Look at that. Oh, beautiful they are. Look at the color. It's beautiful. Look at that. Really candy. The candy beet also contain nitric oxide, and the body needs nitric oxide to open the blood vessels that is necessary for getting and maintaining your blood pressure and much more. So guys, snack up on your candy beetroot. Look around for it. It's not as red as the other one. It has a pink look. It looks like cherry when you make the juice, but on the outside of the skin you have some white lines. So I'm gonna cut this big apple and we're gonna pop it in the juicer. So we are gonna let out our second batch of juice. Ooh, this is looking lovely. So here we are on our third batch of juice, and I'm gonna talk a little about pineapple, which helps with inflammation. So the beetroot helps with inflammation. So the both ingredients combined together will give you a very, very, very strong fighting inflammation drink. So I'm adding some more beetroot just to get the drink pink to match up with that one previous drink before. So guys, what are you waiting on to join the channel and subscribe? It's free to subscribe. So as you see, I can walk away and leave this juicer. I'm on the other side of the kitchen talking, and we have half a mixing bowl. And pineapple is so good for us. It has vitamin C, magnesium, also just like the beet, support immune function, ease digestion, help with lowering inflammation in the body. And as you can see, I'm playing around with the trash, and this trash looks like really a candy or a cotton candy. So our mixing bowl is almost full, and you know what we are going to do? We are going to let out our juice. So guys, gear up for this part of it. Let's go. So now we're gonna let out our third batch of juice. Here you have it. And we are gonna continue juicing to get the rest that's in the juicer, so we can have a full jug. Special shout out to Garden with Stacy. Special shout out to Urban Backyard Container Gardening, Moses. Big up and bless up yourself. So guys, run on over and watch those two people. And guys, don't forget, I've added my lemon in this juice, so it alkalizes the body and hydrates you and makes the drink refreshing. And the ginger also help with pains and inflammation in the body and your gut health. So let's serve our drink. Oh my goodness, look at this. It looks so much like cherry, but it's not. It's candy beetroot, guys. So like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Hope you will try this drink, and hope you will look around and see if you can get a candy beetroot. Bye for now. See you on the next one.